We're finally home.
Yes,
What a long day.
it really was. I'm exhausted.
Me too.
The house feels nice and quiet.
That's exactly what I need right now.
Same here.
How was your day?
It was busy. I had a lot of meetings.
Really?
Yes, meeting after meeting.
That sounds exhausting.
It was. How about yours?
My day was busy too.
What happened?
I helped several customers. Everyone needed something today.
One of those days?
Exactly.
Are you hungry?
Very hungry.
Good, because I'm hungry too.
That's not surprising.
That's not surprising. You're right.
What should we have for dinner?
Let's see.
Do we have any chicken?
Yes, we do.
Perfect.
Chicken sounds good.
Can I help?
Sure.
What can I do?
Can you cut the vegetables?
Of course.
Thanks.
No problem.
Dinner is almost ready.
It smells amazing.
I hope it tastes amazing too.
I'm sure it will.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. This is really good.
I'm glad you like it.
You did a great job.
Thank you.
That was delicious.
I'm full now.
Me too.
Do you want to watch a movie?
Maybe.
Maybe?
I'm feeling a little sleepy.
A little?
Okay, very sleepy.
I'm ready for bed.
Me too. Good night, Jose.
Sleep well.
You too.